So Oracle stock reported earnings and made a high of 123.99, which is quite suspicious because it never quite made it to 124. And if you've been following this channel, yesterday when we analyzed unusual options activity, we said that these unusual options break even was at 124 here. And so make sure to watch that video to understand what we mean, that this unusual options activity analysis is telling us lots of information. If you can analyze this and use unusual options as an oracle to foretell and predict the stock market. So make sure to watch that video we did right before earnings, and you'll see that this is quite suspicious, quite unusual, and quite powerful if you are trading stocks or options, because you can use unusual options activity to also trade stocks, not just options trading, because you can get the direction if it's bullish or bearish, if you can analyze these unusual options. And so you can also see here our trade was actually profitable as well. So this was our trade in our video. You'll see here currently Oracle actually did not even go very high because it came right back down to 116, right? It was at about 116 when it started. You'll see here not much gain after earnings. It went up, but then it came back down. Something was giving it pressure at this 124 line. And these large institutional investors that have a lot more money are able to create resistance levels or support levels. And so there we have it. We did have about a $31, let's say about $30 profit with a buying power of 300. And so this is about a 10% gain for this earnings trade. Not much, but it was a very high probability trade. It was like close to a 90% win rate, probability of being successful. So we're very happy with that, of course, because whenever you have a very high probability win rate, you don't gain as much. And so a 10% gain is pretty good for a 90% probability. So make sure to watch that video on how we constructed this earnings trade, and also when we analyze those unusual options that are quite unusual. All right, we'll put a link here at the top. If you have info cards turned on, you can watch that video we made yesterday right before Oracle's earnings. And so make sure to smash that like button, and also subscribe if you haven't, and hit the bell icon. You'll be notified whenever we detect unusual options on other stocks as well. And comment below on what you think about this interesting, unusual phenomenon that it never made 124, and it just made it at 0.99, right? If you're interested in other stocks with unusual options activity, or you'd like to see our trades, you can watch new exclusive videos on our channel to learn how we are trading based on unusual options activity. Because if you increase your if you diversify your portfolio with other stocks, you know that you can increase your success in trading or investing. And so being able to trade different stocks is very important, but we want to base it on unusual options activity that have such a strong predictive power like an oracle. All right. If you're interested in these, just click on the join button on our channel homepage to learn more about our memberships, to gain access to these exclusive videos where we analyze other stocks and show you how we are trading based on unusual options activity. All right. Thank you very much. Take care, everybody.